use the given data, we can calculate the correct coefficient to assess the relationship between hours of study and exam score. Interpretation. In this example, after the calculating the correction coefficient, let's assume we find that the correction coefficient is 0.85. It indicates a strong positive correlation between hours of student and exams score. It suggests that as the number of hours of study increase, the exam score tend to increase as well. The closer the correlation coefficient is 1, the stronger the positive linear relationship between the variables. Correlation coefficient, the function return correlation to NP dot correlate this is a theory. This is a formula to find the correlation between two variables x and y and 0 and 1. This function return the correlation matrix, and we extract the value at the intersection of the first two and second column to get the correlation coefficient. Finally, we print the correlation coefficient in the content of the NP coefficient function is NumPy. The correlation coefficient matrix return the 2D array. The value refer to the element and the intersection of the first two of the first row 0 and the second column 1 to the matrix. Row will be represented with the 0 and column will be represented with the 1. The correlation coefficient matrix is a square matrix where each element represents the correlation coefficient between two variables. In the case specifically represent the correlation coefficient between the first variable and the second variable. Therefore, we assess the element at index. In the correlation coefficient matrix, we are retrieving the correction coefficient between x and y. So here is the code to find the correlation. Here is NumPy. We have 3 arrays and data dot. We will find the stack variable between x, y, and z, and also find the correlation matrix by using core COF correlation, and then we will find the correlation matrix. Here is the graph of correlation matrix. We can plot by using matplotlib. Random rand 100. Let's have a practice with the code. Okay, so let's practice this code. Import. Here we can import two libraries, NumPy and matplotlib. I think this is pyplot. Yes, matplotlib.pyplot. Pyplot has ELT. Okay, now you can see our both of libraries will be import. So generate some random data, np.random seed 0, and this is used to run the constant values. X equal to np.random 100